Okay, so I learned the other day that a player for Chelsea, let me get out of the input method, Didier Drogba, is playing in Chinese Football League, which I think is interesting. So if I look for Didier Drogba, you'll see there that I get a link to Chinese Wikipedia and our Wikipedia, and I also see related applications. You see lower, they're picking up on Euro Cup, Cristiano Ronaldo. But if I click on Chinese Wikipedia, I see Didier Drogba. I also see from here that he's playing for Shanghai Shenhua team. So I can also jump right out of this, and I'm going to use the input method to search for Shanghai. I get that right. Shanghai. And now you see something interesting. So I'd already downloaded a Shenhua app for that team. Which came from the App Store, and you see that the device recognizes that that's related to Shanghai Shenhua. But let's see if we've got something coming in from the network. So right here, I've got a listing that shows more information about the team, and then I have links again from the bar. Now we wish these were mobile apps, as we should be finding apps and deep linking. And as more become available, we should be able to deep link. Right now it's using a Baidu listing in Baidu about the team, or I could go to Sina and see equally, this one doesn't look to be optimized for mobile, but a deep link into the Shenhua team in the Sina portal, sports portal. I could also, which is interesting, that app, which was called for the Shenhua team, I could just type, let me go back to the input method, I could just type Shenhua, and our system's smart enough to understand the connection. So you see this connection of Shenhua to the app was done by our engine understanding the metadata associated with the applications. Let's think about basketball. So I'm going to do something a little bit less known. Baiyi has a team. So you see some other results, but as I look for to see if there's a basketball result for Baiyi, you see it right here. Again, it's mapped pending to the Chinese listing. And there you see the Baiyi Rockets. Again, we've got links to Baidu and Sina, and this can populate further. I'd love to find out that the CBA decides to do an app like the NBA does in the States, so that you could then deep link directly to the team and have a better experience than using an embedded browser. But it does give the user that ability to jump back and forth quickly to those.